These Rugged Ridge all-terrain front floor mats in black are for those of you that have a 2007 to 2013 JK that are looking to add a floor mat to add some protection to your interior and also to change up the look a little bit. A floor mat, of course, is going to be a very simple 1 out of 3 wrench install. You're just going to throw these into place in less than 5 minutes, but we'll talk a little bit more about that process in just a second. Now, when it comes to floor mats, there are going to be a couple of different options out there for you. You can get a universal fit floor mat that are usually going to be pretty flimsy, not have very high sides on them to catch and hold debris and water, and they're also not going to be specifically fit to your floor, so they usually bunch up a little bit, they don't fit great. Then there are going to be options like this that are more molded specifically for your Jeep. This one does have some high sides on at least 3 sides of it to catch and hold some debris. And then there are going to be those premium floor mats on the market that are designed to fit exactly into the contours of the floor of your Jeep. They have a nice high side all the way around to catch and hold debris, and those are going to be some of the best made floor mats that you can get. Now, in my personal opinion, floor mats in general are something that are going to be overpriced, especially those premium floor mats. You can be paying over $100 for a pair of floor mats, and they're just something that you step on. Now, on the flip side of that, I understand that a lot of you guys are using your Jeeps off-road, like I do personally, and you want to be able to have something that's going to keep all of that mess from the trails in the floor mat. You can pull the floor mat out, easily hose it off, pop it back in again. It just helps you to more easily keep your interior clean. So if you are interested in keeping your interior clean, a set of floor mats is a great option. But if you want to stay out of that premium price range, you don't have a need for those premium features, this is going to be an excellent option. These are still incredibly well made. They still have a nice high side on them. They have these chevrons built right into them, which is going to help to trap some of that junk on the floor mat, keep it from rolling off. But these are going to be a little bit more moderately priced than those premium options. These floor mats are made of a high quality thermoplastic, so they are going to be a little bit flexible. They're also going to hold up very, very well. They do have a nice high side on at least 3 sides of the floor mat. Like I said before, you're getting in and out of the vehicle. You have rain, snow, mud, whatever it might be on your shoes or boots. This is going to hold all of that mess in place. And these nice big deep chevrons in here are also designed to hold any of that mess and also give you a little bit of grip so your feet aren't sliding around on the mat. These are going to have some rubber nibs on the bottom of them to help keep the floor mats from sliding around on the carpet itself. That's going to give the floor mat some teeth, so it's really going to hold. And these also have a couple of holes in them so that they'll lock right into that factory carpet and keep from sliding around as well. For those of you that have had a cheaper floor mat that doesn't have any sort of retention, you'll know that it only takes a couple of times getting in and out of the vehicle before that floor mat is bunched up either under the seat or more commonly under the pedals, which of course is very, very annoying, but can also be dangerous. So having this retention is something I really like. So as you all know, this is a floor mat. It installs very easily, definitely a 1 out of 3 wrench install, less than 5 minutes. You pretty much just throw these into place. The only thing that you're going to have to do is get these locked into those factory retention points in the factory carpet, but these already have punch outs for it, so even that is a very simple process. A pair of these mats is gonna run you right around $55, which, like I said before, I do think is gonna be a pretty good price when it comes to floor mats. In general, floor mats are going to be pretty expensive. You can get those premium top of the line ones that are going to be more expensive than these are. I think these are much more moderately priced, but you're still going to get a lot of the features that I like versus one of those universal fit ones that you can buy at your local auto parts store. So I do think that this is a really nice balance of quality and features and price. So if you're looking for a quality floor mat for your 7 to 13 JK, I definitely recommend these ones from Rugged Ridge, and you can find them right here at extremeterrain.com.